Alright, we are in the basement of a private building where we have an old ABC elevator, and it's a dead man control. To call it, you have to hold the button down. I wonder how tall this building is. We'll find out soon. All right, here it is. Oh, it's gated. Cool. Bye. Take a look at this before we go anywhere. Oh my gosh, this has a side door and everything. The buttons on this thing are supposedly locked off, so ABC Electric. Let me get my flashlight here real quick. I'm having issues. Hold on.
Okay.
All right, now we are going to ride the elevator. Send me up. Here at 5. That was pretty cool. While we're here, we'll get a look around this thing. This is an old ABC elevator. Here is your locked off car panel. But thanks to some magic in the machine room, we got to ride the elevator. Heavy, heavy door. So there it goes. And that is it.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.